Storage in a 4207 Carver. Oh, there's so much. Let me open it. You're gonna laugh at me, but that's my coffee area. And cups. I don't know what those are supposed to be. These big, long, small cubby hose. I even forgot I put lids in there. Huh. Okay. We have this. This is my favorite. Look how much storage. Like I said, I probably need to work on my organization, but lots of cabinet stuff. And this is my favorite. This big pantry here. Woo. Bingo! Everyone needs a big pantry. Tons of storage. This is the best boat if you need storage. We used to live on a sailboat and had absolutely no storage. And then you got all these drawers down here underneath the settee. I love my big refrigerator.